Two men with ties to Ingham County government are among 4 people facing criminal charges in the Flint Water Crisis. Attorney General Bill Schuette announced those charges today, saying all 4 knowingly exposed families to contaminated drinking water. As Fox 47's Susan El Khoury explains, investigators say the men were more concerned about money and budgets than human life.
They knew the water wasn't safe. But investigators say 2 state and 2 city employees went ahead and switched Flint's drinking water to the river.
Flint deserves better. The people of Flint are not expendable.
Former emergency managers Darnell Early and Gerald Ambrose are facing multiple criminal charges. Both worked in Ingham County before Flint, with Early serving as the county's budget director and deputy controller, and Ambrose working as Lansing's finance director.
Flint was a casualty of arrogance, disdain, and a failure of management.
Attorney General Bill Schuette says the men were more concerned about money when they illegally used an $85 million bond to fund a water pipeline project, a project that required the city change its water source even though the treatment plant wasn't ready.
There's been this fixation, almost this obsession of balance sheets and metrics and finances, and this has been done at the expense of people and health and safety.
2 former city employees, Howard Croft and Doherty Johnson, are accused of helping secure the bond, then pressuring water treatment employees to get the plant up and running.
So many people knew that plant was not ready, and so many people said, don't do this, and yet it was done. And I think that's the thing that shocked me. And, I keep asking myself, what were they thinking?
Flint Mayor Karen Weaver called it a piece of justice her city deserves, but she says it will never truly right the wrong.
Does it replace the kids or the seniors that have been damaged? No, it doesn't, but they need to be held accountable.
Something Schuette vows he'll continue to do.
If you've done something wrong, then you ought to be worried.
In Flint, Susan El Khoury, Fox 47 News.
Each felony charge carries a maximum penalty of 20 years in prison. Johnson was arraigned this afternoon and pleaded not guilty. When asked if the investigation was leading them to anyone in the governor's office who may have overseen the city's bond, Attorney General Schuette was blunt, saying, quote, "I'm not going to get into that."